Samsung is gearing up for its next big Unpacked event on January 22, and all eyes are on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. As we count down the days, leaked renders have started popping up online, giving us a sneak peek at what the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra might look like. These images hint at some design changes that could make Samsung's next flagship lineup even more exciting. The renders come courtesy of the well-known tipster Evan Blass, whose leaks have been pretty spot on in the past. Interestingly, some of his recent posts on X were taken down due to copyright claims, which has fans thinking these leaks are legit. After all, if these weren't related to Samsung's upcoming phones, they probably wouldn't be getting flagged. One of the most noticeable updates is the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The corners on this version seem a little more rounded compared to the previous model, which could make it feel more comfortable to hold. The Galaxy S25 Plus also shows off some even rounder edges, suggesting Samsung's keeping that sleek, refined look throughout the lineup. But that's not all. We might be getting a new model this time around. Rumors say Samsung could drop a Galaxy S25 Slim, adding to the usual lineup of the standard S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. And if you're wondering about color options, Evan Blass has got us covered there too. Here's the rundown. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, these are blue, black, coral red, icy blue, mint, navy, pink gold, and silver shadow. While Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium jade green, titanium jet black, titanium pink gold, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. Exciting, right? While these leaks give us a pretty good idea of what's coming, we'll have to wait for the official Unpacked event to get the full scoop. So, what do you think of the design changes? Are you excited about the new colors? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you next month. Until then, take care.